In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban someone on Discord without joining server. If you want to prevent a specific Discord user from ever joining your server, there's a way to do it without waiting for them to become a member first. This method uses Discord's developer mode to copy a user's ID, allowing you to reference their account directly. As long as you have the appropriate moderation permissions, you can ban the account before it ever joins your community. To get started, open Discord and sign in to your account if you haven't already. The first thing you'll need to do is enable developer mode. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner of Discord to open user settings. From there, scroll to the advanced section under app settings. Inside this menu, turn on the developer mode option. This feature unlocks additional tools, including the ability to copy a user's unique Discord ID. Once developer mode has been enabled, close the settings and locate the Discord user you want to ban. The user doesn't need to be a member of your server, but you'll need to be able to access their profile somewhere on Discord. When you've found the correct account, right-click on their profile and select Copy User ID. This copies the account's unique identifier to your clipboard, which you'll use in the next step. Now return to your Discord server and open any text channel where you have permission to use moderation commands. In the message box, type the Discord user mention format using the copied user ID. Paste the ID into the correct location so Discord recognizes it as a reference to that specific account. Once you've entered it correctly, Discord will identify the user even though they aren't currently a member of your server. Next, click on the identified user reference to open the available moderation options. Among those options, choose Ban. Discord will ask you to confirm the action before it is applied. Review the information carefully to make sure you've selected the correct account, then confirm the ban. Once the action is complete, that Discord account will be added to your server's ban list. If the user ever attempts to join your server using an invite link in the future, Discord will automatically block them from entering because the ban is already in place. That's all there is to it. By enabling developer mode, copying a user's Discord ID, and using that ID to reference the account, you can ban someone without them ever joining your server. It's a useful moderation feature for server owners and administrators who want to proactively protect their communities. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,